National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a flash flood warning for.
Making the most of family time means taking over the kitchen on the weekend. And while my breakfast might be different than mom's, that's part of the fun. Make the most of family time with Pillsbury Grand's biscuits.
Over time, you go nose blind to the odors in your home. But
The civil authority has issued shelter-in-place warning for the following counties or areas: El Paso, Texas, at 7 p.m. on March 24, 2020, effective until 8 p.m. The stay home, work safe order will go into effect at 11:59 p.m. Tuesday, March 24th, and be in effect until further notice. The order applies to everyone in El Paso County to work safe and stay home with the exceptions of essential businesses and activities. For more information, visit Epson.org. La orden de quedis en casa, trabe seguro entrar en vigente des las 11:59 p.m. March 24 de marzo hasta nuevo aviso. La orden aplica todos en el condado de El Paso para trabajar de manera segura y quedarse en casa con la excepción de negocios y actividades esenciales. Para más información, visite Epson.org.
.45 and traveling about 15 miles south towards the area of Charles's trailer. Then the movement of her phone stops for the night.
So late evening, around 11 o'clock.